Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kumar Chen, Department of ISC, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I am going to discuss about a topic in Internet of Things, and it's a subject for us in our engineering 8th semester, and its subject code is 18CS81. Without any delay, let's get into the today's topic. Today's topic is smart and connected cities. I know many of you know about these smart and connected cities. And what is IoT? IoT, or the Internet of Things, refers to the network of interconnected devices that communicate and exchange data with each other over the internet without human intervention. These devices can range from everyday objects to complex machinery, all equipped with sensors, actuators, and connectivity features that enable them to collect and exchange data. Examples for these IoT devices is smart home systems, devices such as smart thermostats, lighting systems, security cameras, and door locks that can be controlled remotely, smartphone or other connected devices. These are some examples for IoT. And what is IoT? IoT means the devices which works with the use of internet. Without internet, we can't use those IoT devices. For example, in everyday, many people use Alexa, where it requires some internet. So through internet, we can communicate with Alexa for our needful things, and it will do the things what we will tell, what we will communicate with the Alexa. So that's a one good example for this IoT. Now let's see what is the let's see introduction. So, the definition for this smart and connected city is leverage technology and data to enhance the quality of life, improve sustainability, and optimize urban infrastructure and services. Components for this smart cities is integration of IoT devices, data analytics, connectivity, and smart infrastructure forms the foundation of smart and connected cities. So the foundation for this smart cities is IoT devices, data analytics, connectivity, and smart infrastructure. These four things are foundations, like four pillars for this smart and connected cities. So these are very, very important, and data is a main thing, and it's a basic thing to develop a smart city. We can see many smart cities in future in India as well as all over the world. For example, Dubai is a smart city where it has a very good smart infrastructure, and they are developing new cities for with the basic foundation with these all these IoT devices, and with the data analytics, they are building some new cities. Let's see key features of smart and connected cities. First key feature is IoT integration, embedding sensors and actuators across the city infrastructure to collect real-time data on various aspects such as traffic flow, air quality, waste management, energy consumption, etc. Examples: smart traffic lights, smart meters for utilities, smart waste bins. So, smart traffic lights. So, these are traffic management systems that utilize sensors, cameras, and data analytics to optimize traffic flow, reduce congestion, and enhance safety on roads. They can adjust signal timings dynamically based on real-time traffic conditions, and they will prioritize certain vehicles, for example, emergency vehicles and public transport, and detect traffic violation. So this is smart traffic lights. And what is smart meters for utilities? So these are digital devices installed in homes or in business to measure and record consumption of electricity, gas, or water in real time. Unlike traditional meters, smart meters can communicate this information back to the utility company automatically, allowing for more accurate billing, remote monitoring, and better management of energy resources. They also enable consumers to monitor their usage more closely and make informed decisions to save energy and reduce costs. And what is this smart waste bins? So these are waste bins where the containers equipped with sensors and IoT technology to monitor the fill levels, optimize waste collection routes, and improve efficiency in waste management by deploying smart waste bins. So this is smart waste bins, and this is smart meter for utilities, and smart traffic lights. I hope you got an idea about these three examples. One more feature, that is data analytics and insights. utilizing advanced analytics techniques to analyze the vast amounts of data collected from IoT devices, extracting actionable insights to optimize city operations, improve decision making, and enhance citizen services. Examples: predictive maintenance of infrastructure, real time traffic management, personalized citizen services. So, these are some examples where data analytics and insights will play a major role. What is predictive maintenance of infrastructure means? Using data to predict when infrastructure needs maintenance to prevent failures. So to avoid failures, this predictive maintenance of infrastructure is very useful. And what is this real-time traffic management means? Adjusting traffic flow dynamically based on real-time data to reduce congestion and improve efficiency. At the same time, this personalized citizen services means tailoring public services to individual preferences and needs using digital technologies and data insights. So this is personalized citizen services. One more feature, that is connectivity and communication. Establishing robust communication networks, 5G and Wi-Fi, to connect various IoT devices and enable seamless data transmission, facilitating communication between city infrastructure, government agencies, business and citizens. Examples: smart grids for energy distribution, connected public transportation systems, citizen engagement platforms. These are three examples for this connectivity and communication feature. Or what is connectivity and what is communication means? To work or to effectively process or to do the things which are needed by IoT devices means they need proper internet connection. So if the internet connection is not proper, there is no meaning for these IoT devices. So we need to establish a robust communication between networks and among various IoT devices. And providing a strong communication between city infrastructure and with government agencies and other business and citizens is very important, and it's a very important feature in this smart and connected smart grids for energy distribution. In the sense, it's advanced systems that optimize energy distribution, and it will monitor usage and integrate renewable sources for efficient power delivery. And connected public transportation system means networks that utilize technology to enhance coordination, efficiency, and accessibility in public transportation. And this citizen engagement platforms, digital platforms that facilitate interaction between citizens and government for feedback, information sharing, and participation in decision making process. One more feature, that is a smart infrastructure. I am telling from past three slides, that is smart infrastructure for smart. What is this? Deploying intelligent infrastructure in elements that can adapt and respond to changing conditions in real time, enhancing efficiency, resilience, and sustainability of urban systems. Examples: adaptive street lighting, self hailing power grids, green buildings with the integrated energy management systems. So this is smart infrastructure. So in India, infrastructure is developing very fast in these days, but smart infrastructure is not that much developing. So it is very much needed in order to have a better life, to enhance our Indian lives. At the same time, we should not forget our past, and we should not forget our roots. And one more, that is citizen engagement and participation. So in simple words, how much this technology is used by people. So how many people can get these IoT devices, how many people will use these IoT devices, and how many people knows about these IoT devices, that matters. At last, this is matters a lot, because if you have so many technologies, no one is using it, or no one is interested in the technology means there is no use. How much it may give advantages for us, but at last, if no one is using this IoT technology, if no one is using IoT devices, then there is no meaning for that. That's why every individual should understand IoT and the advantages of IoT, and they need to understand the quality and the enhancement in this IoT devices. The people empowering citizens to actively engage with the city management process and contribute to decision making. So they need to learn this technology, and they need to provide their own provide their own contributions to this IoT industry, and providing access to real-time information, feedback mechanics, and mechanisms and participatory platforms. I mean, they should get a they should get a feedback system where they need to use some IoT devices, and they need to give their reviews, or they need to tell what they felt about these IoT devices and how they are feeling, how their life changed, or is there any disadvantages, is there any advantages. These are all the things should be monitored after one IoT device introduced into the market. Examples: mobile apps for reporting issues, citizen-driven urban planning initiatives, community sensing projects. For example, mobile apps for reporting issues. For example, in Google Play Store, I will go and I will install an app called Instagram. So when I am using Instagram, I will face some disadvantages, or I may not happy with the kind of user interface that they are providing. So I can give the feedback in Play Store where I have installed that Instagram app. So what I am feeling, what is I am lacking, what I am expecting, all the things I can put in a section where I in a rating section I can give my ratings like 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Like that for this IoT devices also, the people should able to understand, and they need to give their feedback to the developers and to the people who are developing this IoT industry. What are the advantages and benefits of smart and connected cities? Improved efficiency, optimizing resource allocation, reducing congestion, and enhanced service delivery efficiency, and enhanced sustainability, enhanced quality of life, economic growth. First thing first, if any country it is having more smart cities means there the economy will be more. I mean, they are going to use very good technology, and it will be attracted by many people, and people will start investing in IoT, and that investment will be a greater advantage for the economy of any country. And the next thing is it will increase the quality of life. For example, I am using my in my house, if I am using Alexa, I can do so many things with Alexa without my presence there. If I tell Alexa to switch on TV means it will switch on TV. So I can avoid that work. Switching on TV, I can avoid that work. Like that, Alexa is going to so many works, and in the same way, Siri is going to do so many works. And also, many IoT devices are helping humans, and they're increasing the quality of life. And sustainability, I mean, minimizing environmental impact, and promoting renewable energy adoption, and fostering sustainable urban development practices. I mean, environmental impact means so reducing that energy sources which are going to renewable, it's the energy resources which are not available tomorrow. I mean, which are reducing day by day, those kind of energy sources we can avoid the usage of those kind of energy sources, and that we can use renewable energy sources. Also, these are some benefits of smart and connected cities. And when it comes to challenges and considerations, first thing first, data privacy and security, and digital inclusion, and interoperability, and standardization, long-term sustainability. The people are going to give their data to these IoT devices by trusting the device. I am trusting Alexa, and I am giving permission with my data, and I am providing some kind of data to that. So if Alexa is using the data for unethical unethical things, for some illegal things, if they are misusing my data means, then we are going to have a higher possibility that next time I am not going to use that Alexa. So they are going to lose on customers. If the thing is same for every person means, they are going to face long term complications, and they are not going to survive in this market. that IoT device is going to collapse. So that's why this data privacy and security is one important challenge. And digital inclusion, I mean, bridging the digital divide to ensure equitable access to smart city technologies and services for all segments of the population. For example, uh, I am for simply take Alexa in mobile devices. Forget about in homes, in mobile devices only. In some devices we are having Alexa, in some devices we are not having Alexa. So which means the technology is not available for everyone in this country, or it is not available for each and everyone in this state, whatever, because we are having huge populations where the people are not even know what is this IoT and what is this smart cities, what is the use. That's why that's the one disadvantage, or this is the one greater challenge, because everyone should able to get the technology and they need to use this technology, because if they don't use, there is no meaning for that. And long-term sustainability, developing sustainable funding models addressing scalability issues and considering the long-term environmental and social impacts of smart city initiatives. For example, uh, one IoT device is developed with some kind of advantages. It's it's capable of doing some certain things, but it may not able to do the things other than that. So it needed some amount of time to develop that thing. For example, forget about IoT devices, forget about the smart cities. Think about this WhatsApp. When they introduced WhatsApp, they have only the sending text through internet to the someone who we know. So we can just have that chatting with the friends. But after some years, they introduced the option called status, where we can put our status, what we are doing, what is the current status of us. So that things we can able to put like that up. WhatsApp is day by day it's updated, and now we are having good some good things. We are having some good options to use the WhatsApp. In future also we can expect some new features, so which some people expecting, which we are expecting, we may see in that WhatsApp. Like that, IoT devices also are going to have this long term sustainability. I mean, they are not going to stay. I mean, if we are having one feature, means that one feature only can't keep our IoT device, or keep our smart city. I'm for that amount of time only, it should get updated. So that's the one big challenge for this smart city. In conclusion, we can tell that smart and connected cities represent a paradigm shift in urban development, leveraging technology to address complex challenges and improve the quality of life for citizens. And continued collaboration between government, industry, academia, and citizens is essential to realize the full potential of smart and connected city initiatives. So I think Narendra Modi or some government, uh, governments are planning to do smart cities all over India. They have planned once upon a time, and I have not seen any smart city till now, because I think the major problem for them is lack of technology, and one more big challenge is they need a huge money to invest on this technology, or in this IoT devices. So that's one challenge, and at the same time, many people are not aware of this technology, and they are not learning the technology which is required for this development of smart cities. So in that's the conclusion, and I hope you understand this is what is smart cities, what is IoT, or at least you may get an 1% of knowledge, or 0.0001% of knowledge about this internet of things, or and this in smart cities. I hope you liked my content. If you really like it, please do like it, and share it with your friends. Thank you.